So we begin at stage 3. The GR128 is a long-distance hiking trail through Belgium that starts in the north of France and ends in Germany with a total distance around 600 kilometers. So this is the third stage. It's been a while. It was every time on Sunday not a good weather condition to do this hike. So for the people who are wondering, we're doing this in one big holiday. No, it's just every time when we have the time to do it on Sunday, we are doing a piece of it. So this is the third stage of our big hike. Flowers. It's not flat. It's not a mountain, but it's not flat. It's just steady going up. And although it's just 10, 11 degrees Celsius, I'm hot. I want to take my jacket off.
Oh, that's for the birds, I think.
What is?
For the animals.
For the animals? What is?
Some kind of food.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Look, this is food. Okay, the animals can eat here. Cool. We were just saying to each other, maybe we can see a deer or something else. Would be great. It's really quiet here. And what really funny thing, and the last time we had that too, if you are entering some small villages, you see people, but if you are hiking on this route, you nearly see never any person. It's like, where are they? In Belgium, a lot of people are hiking and walking, but here in the north of France, not much. Hunting? Yeah, they hunt here, but they hunt all over the world. And sometimes I can get it if there's an overpopulation of something, and yeah, sometimes it's necessary. And I know back in the days we were hunting, but I don't think, I'm sure I would not could kill an animal with a rifle, with anything. It's not in my genes. I would starve to death. Are you hot?
Not again.
We just said it. Let's see some deers. Let's go. And I have my... It's a new one. Yeah. Go, let's go. Go. She forgot her phone. Where is it? Is it just on the ground? Really? Oh my god. Luckily, you have an iWatch that says it's not connected.
Yes, but first
Yes, you touched it. Yes, he was like, where is it? Where is it? Slightly panicked.
No, I slipped it next to my trouser.
So these two walls here were protecting launching platform for V1 rockets. So in 1943, the Germans were here in France, and the Luftwaffe was aiming to London. So here, normally, if we look in that direction, there should be London. So it's all pointing at London. There were like small planes, but with not any pilot in it. So there were flying bombs. And they think there were around 10,000 bombs that were fired in the war in the direction of London. Thousands of people died. And in the fall of 43, this was built in the summer of 43. And in the fall of 43, 1943, we are nearly again 43. So for the youngsters, maybe in a few years, in like 20 years, they were like, last year? No. So in 1943, in the fall, the military bombed all these bunkers here. There are all bunkers here in this forest to store these rockets, and they bombed all these bunkers. They were heavily damaged. Yeah, it's always some history here, and in Belgium too. You will see that later on. And all these craters are a memory of the attack of the Alliance against Germany to bomb all these bunkers. So you see all craters, but you see craters all over northern France and Flanders, where we live. You can go to Ypres, and there you can see all craters. And if you come here in this forest in the spring, you will see all that green, special green vegetation. It grows
Like this.
blue, purple flowers are growing here. That's completely full between the trees. In Belgium we also have a forest with that kind of flowers. Really special. There's already one here that is coming out. See? God. They are really hunting here. We don't have any flashy clothes on, so that they can see us walk here. Huh? I know it's necessary, but I don't like it. I want to sing now. Akumbaye, akumbaye. I don't think they will be happy. Let's sing. Let's play some music. Run, rabbits, run. And now all the hunters that are watching my vlog, very mad. It's getting very dark there. Dark clouds. Normally they said no rain, but we want to see that side. That's the better side. So let's hope it goes that way, because this morning I was wearing my rain jacket and I was like, "Wah." They give a little bit of sunshine, they don't give any rain, so no rain jacket. Let's hope that I don't regret it. But it's nice temperature if you're hiking. Very good. If it's too hot, I think it's difficult to do 30 or 35 kilometers. What a beautiful sight. Beautiful landscape. Beautiful woman. Are you happy? We are 20 kilometers further, and again we go up. This hurts a little bit, isn't it? It's never flat here in northern France, never flat. It's always wavy, but the one hill is steeper than the other one. But when you are at the top, the views you have over the landscapes, it's amazing. This is again 2 walls to protect the launching platform to shoot at London. So normally there, somewhere there should be London. Very important. If you want to do this route, this stage, and on Wednesday you cannot cross this. So on Wednesday there's this piece you cannot do. So just think about it. If you want to do it on Wednesday, cannot enter this piece. It's always the last bits that hurt the most, and maybe it's because it was a long time ago that we did a stage, because in the winter it was really bad weather. Days are really short, so if you want to hike for 7 or 8 hours and you have to worry about getting dark, there are no lights here.